What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. Okay, I'm just going to cut straight to the chase. Now, let me, as you guys can see, this is one of my groups, one of my WhatsApp mentees, actually. This is one of the groups that I'm personally looking after. These are guys that I'm mentoring. So I've saved their numbers based on where they stay just to protect their identities and stuff like that. Now, I want you to see that, you see there, it was on the 18th of May. If you look at the top, it was on the 18th of May. Let me highlight something. You see that I sent a signal 10:44 a.m. I said you can sell now GBP, JPY, and I said let it run in profit till you are full. That was meant to say till you are full. And then again, I sent the next minute, I said Euro Aussie, let it sell. Now, you see all these signals I sent on a Friday, the 18th of May. I need us to look at the markets now, how it unfolded afterwards. Okay, this is Euro Aussie. Let me highlight the time. Remember, it was 10:45. Where is our 10? That is 11, 12. We are looking for 10. Okay, there is our 10. Actually, when I sent this signal, the market seemed to be going against us, but I told them to sell in advance and so that they can eat. Notice how the market dropped afterwards from that point up until it got to this point. That's the that's the Euro Aussie dollar. And now this was sent to 10:45. Let me come also now to the GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Let me open the chart. You see, the same thing happened again. As always, the same thing. Let's look at 10:44. 10, there's 10. Okay, because this is an hourly time frame. Now you see that after I sent them a signal, look at where it dropped from. Look at where the cursor is up until it got to this point at around 4 when I told them to get out of the market. Actually, somewhere here. Yes, actually here. All right. Okay, 16:45 or so. Now I need you to see, like I always promise my students, or let me rather say, like I've pledged to them. Usually when I send my signals, 90 to 95% of the times, they are always in profit. That's because I do my background check, I do my analysis, and I put in the work for me to produce these signals. I can't just let the world eat signals and benefit from signals that I know that due analysis was never done. Now, let me also make a disclaimer. I am in no way a signal services provider, okay? I'm in no way a signal services provider. Yet the mentorship package comes with signals. No, none of my students are entitled to receive signals. But time to time, we send signals. Anytime I trade, I may send my students signals. I only trade 4 days or 5 days of the week. And then they can receive signals. But lately, they are receiving signals from me daily because of some reasons that we know best. Now, when people approach me, they come to me and they assume that by virtue of becoming my students, they don't need to put in the work. They are entitled to some signals of some nature. No, listen, guys. My whole point of showing my students things happening in the market is because I am trying to prove to them the approach of the market that I use, how effective it is. Like I'm telling you, 90% of the time to 95% of the time, I'm correcting the market. I'm part of those people when statistics is counted about the market traders, the traders who trade Forex. I'm part of the guys who are very consistent. I'm inspired more by consistency than profits. You understand? So when you join my team, you need to put in the work, because I'm not gonna, what if I'm not feeling okay, right? Because some people feel they're entitled that they should receive signals. What if I'm not feeling okay? What if I'm sick? What if I die, for that matter? And you are at a place where you haven't yet mastered how to produce your own signals, how to make it in the market, which means you're going to be limited to what I do. But the reason why I create WhatsApp groups and make sure that people go through the necessary processes for them to be able to generate signals is because I know I've given them enough information. They know how to go and analyze the market and see reasons why I am doing what I'm doing. So it is what it is, family. We're still killing it. We're still making it. We're still eating from the market. I mean, it's that simple, man. It's that simple. We keep it simple. We keep it very clear, and we keep it very, very, accessible. So it is what it is. This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out. Stay blessed.